Hey everyone! Welcome back to Next Gen It Learning, your one-stop place to stay ahead in the world of computers and technology. Today, we're diving into a question that's on everyone's mind. How are computers and AI changing the future of jobs? Will AI take away your job, or will it create new ones we've never imagined? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know the answer, but you'll also learn how to prepare yourself for the future of work in 2025 and beyond. Let's start with the big picture. Computers have already transformed how we work, from typewriters to laptops, from offline files to cloud storage. And now, AI is the next game changer. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2030, over 800 million jobs could be automated. But at the same time, millions of new tech-driven roles will be created. So yes, some jobs are disappearing, but new ones are also being born. Let's be real. Not every career will survive unchanged. Here are some jobs most impacted by automation. Data entry clerks, replaced by AI-powered systems. Basic customer support. Chatbots are handling first-level queries. Cashiers and clerks' self-checkout systems and e-payments are taking over. Routine manufacturing jobs, robots are faster and more precise. But hey, don't panic yet. It's not about jobs disappearing overnight. It's about repetitive, rule-based tasks being automated. Here's the exciting part. AI can't replace creativity, leadership, and emotional intelligence. So careers in these areas are safe and even growing. AI specialists and data scientists, someone has to build and train the machines. Cybersecurity experts, the more tech grows, the more we need digital protection. Healthcare professionals, AI helps, but doctors and nurses bring human care. Creative fields, designers, content creators, filmmakers, musicians, teachers, and trainers, especially those who can teach digital skills. Basically, jobs that require human imagination, problem-solving, or empathy will stay strong. Here's something really fascinating. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating brand new ones. For example, prompt engineers, people who design the right questions for AI tools. AI ethics specialists, making sure AI decisions are fair and unbiased. VR and metaverse designers, building virtual worlds for work, study, and entertainment. AI business consultants, helping companies use AI the smart way. Just imagine, 10 years ago, social media manager wasn't even a thing. And now, it's one of the most in-demand jobs. Okay, so what do you need to do to prepare yourself? Here are the top 5 computer plus AI skills that will keep you future-proof. AI and machine learning basics. Even non-coders should learn how AI works. Data literacy, knowing how to read, analyze, and use data. Cybersecurity awareness, understanding how to protect digital systems. Cloud computing and remote tools, the backbone of modern companies. So is AI your enemy or your teammate? Honestly, it depends on you. If you sit back and do nothing, yes, automation might take over. But if you learn, adapt, and upgrade your skills, AI can actually make your career more exciting, more efficient, and more rewarding. Remember, AI won't replace humans, but humans who know AI will replace humans who don't. So get started today and be ready for the future of work. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen IT Learning for more future-ready tech knowledge. Drop a comment below and tell me, which job do you think AI will impact the most? Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay ahead of the future.